All right, we're here at SeaWorld San Antonio, Texas to check out the brand new Barracuda Strike inverted coaster. It's Friday, March 6, 2026. They do have the member preview, so we're gonna go check that out and hopefully get a POV ride on. All right, so here it is, Barracuda Strike, sharing the same lift hill area as the Still Ill. All right, so here is the sign, the entrance over here. As you can see, it's past member preview. There are the ride rules. They have the height check, and they have a seat up here that you can test out to see if you can fit. Yeah, because like I said right there, they talk about guest size. And here, so you can check out the loading area. Luckily, there's no wait, so I might be able to get front row.
Arms and legs down inside the ride vehicle, with your head back against the headrest.
What's neat is riding this coaster, it does have a soundtrack with some speakers that enhances the ride. The ride is pretty fast. To me, it seems kind of more extreme for a family coaster. So now SeaWorld has 6 roller coasters, 2 inverted coasters, and the brand new Barracuda Strikes. All right, thanks for watching our POV ride on of the Barracuda Strike at SeaWorld San Antonio, Texas. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more future travel videos.